Hey everyone, welcome back to Dashcam Time. Hope you enjoy the video.
Holy jeez.
Someone 9 dispatch. Accident at Long Meadow, Delaware Ave, Long Meadow. Are you fire and EMS? Okay.
Not injured, you're just shucking up? Yes. Okay.
913, did you copy?
Were you trying to get somewhere in a hurry?
I don't know.
I'll be around.
I worked a couple times. I was really worried about getting there on time.
I just turned my camera on as soon as I saw it happen, so it should have captured something.
She had the red, I had the green.
Yeah, when I looked up.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's fine. That's why it's an accident. You good, buddy? I'm good. I don't know. Bye, everybody.
Does anything hurt at all? Now's the time if something hurts.
No,
Okay.
You already let your guys know? Yeah, I like your bike.
My mom's going to kill me.
1449. You're back.
Well, it's not going to kill you. You're not injured.
Fire. 42. Evaluation times 2.
Start next available.
1449.
It'll probably be on my camera at some point. They can get it.
Oh, okay.
Because as soon as I saw it, I turned it on.
And a pump over.
fuck are you doing? What are you doing?
Fucking dollar sign.
No, I'm good. What is this guy doing? What are you? What? What? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What are you doing? Can you? I'm sorry. Holy shit. He just threw something out. I'm calling the cops again. Bye.
Emergency, what are you reporting?
Hi, I just reported a black, like Land Rover or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just passed all the way on the shoulder of the road, past about 4 cars, and threw something at the black Mustang.
And did what to a black Mustang?
He threw something at the black Mustang.
Threw something?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
out of his window?
Yeah, out of his driver's window, yeah. And now he's
Okay.
behind the PG&E truck. And we're getting into Upper Lake.
Okay, you're getting into where?
Do you want your clip featured on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video descriptions. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident and then just submit. It really is that easy.